Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how do you do? I am Muhimatul Ahkamiyah, student of Physics Education Program at Tanjung Pura University, Pontianak. Okay guys, this video I made to fulfill assignment from my English teacher. Are you curious about what will I talk about today? So let's get started. Today, I will talk you about Archimedes' law. Do you know what is Archimedes' law? Let's start with the definition of Archimedes' law. Archimedes' law is a law on the principle of flotation on liquid objects discovered by Archimedes, a Greek scientist who was also the inventor of a spiral pump to raise water known as Archimedes' ring. Archimedes' law deals with gravity and force on an object that is inserted into water. When we weigh the rock in water, the weight of the measured stone on the spring embankment becomes smaller than when weighing the stone in the air, not in water. The mass of the stone measured on the scale is small because there is a buoyant force that press the stone upwards. The same effect will be felt when we leave any object in water. Any stone or object will feel lighter if it is left in water. This doesn't mean that some stones or objects are removed so that the weight of the stone becomes smaller, but due to buoyancy force, direction of buoyancy force upward, aka in line with the lifting force that we give to the stone, so that any stone or object placed in the water feels lighter. Buoyancy occurs due to difference in fluid pressure at different depth. The pressure of the fluid increases with respect to it. The deeper the fluid or liquid, the greater the pressure of the fluid. When an object is inserted into the fluid, there will be a difference in pressure between the fluid at the top of the object and the pressure of the fluid at the bottom of the object. Fluid located at the bottom of the object has a pressure greater than the fluid at the top of the object. Archimedes' law states, when an object is immersed in whole or part in a liquid, the liquid will give an upward force to the object, where the amount of upward force is the same as the liquid transfer. I will do a simple experiment to prove the Archimedes law for object to sink, float, and drift. Okay, first, I will do a simple experiment to prove the Archimedes law for object to sink. In this case, the egg is put into water without salt. Okay, see what happens. The egg in the glass sink. From this experiment, the egg sank because the density of the egg was greater than that of water. Okay guys, it's an experiment. I will do an experiment to knit floating object. Then I will do experiment to float object. Water is added to salt. Then salt is dissolved in water. The egg is inserted. Okay. open. Floating egg. Eggs can float because the density of eggs is the same as density of water. That's experiment to prove object floats. Okay guys, then I will do experiment for drift object. Half a glass of water is added to salt and dissolved. Okay. Next, eggs into the water. So, the glass add water and see what happened. The egg drift. A simple experiment to prove about object to sink, float, and drift. Let's summarize briefly what we've looked at. From the simple experiment I have done, the function of salt is to increase the density of water. So, the more salt is given, the greater the density of the water. That's why eggs can float and drift. Okay guys, that explanation about Archimedes' law and a simple experiment. Thanks for watching. I hope what I shared with you today will be useful for you. Don't forget and like and subscribe. Goodbye.